Chat GPT is one of the most trending topics right now. It's been less than a week since its release, and people's minds are being blown with what it can do. It's also breaking records with over 1 million users signed up in just 5 days, faster than Netflix, Twitter, Facebook, even Instagram.
What's up, y'all? Today, I will tell you how you can use Chat GPT to improve your English skills. In fact, Chat GPT is like having a personal English coach always ready to help you. Still, let's see how Chat GPT can help you to speak, understand, and write English better. Let's do it. If this is your first time to stop by, you are welcome. I am teacher Andre, your English teacher. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button right now, okay? Good job, you're my friend.
What is Chat GPT?
For those who don't know, Chat GPT is like a robot that can understand and respond to human-like conversations.
Hi, Sophia. How are you?
I'm fine. Hi.
Oh yeah, you have to use Chat GPT as an English learner. So if you are not using Chat GPT, pay attention to this video, okay? So let's see how it works. The first thing you can do with Chat GPT is to practice English conversations. So you can ask Chat GPT to generate scripts for real-life dialogues. Let's have a look. Write a conversation between two people at a bank.
There. I need to open a new savings account. How do I get started? Bank teller. Sure, we're happy to help you with that. Do you have a government-issued ID and your social security number with you? Person 1. Yes, I do. Bank teller. Great, we'll need those documents to get started. Additionally, do you have any initial deposit you'd like to make into the account? Person 1. Yes,
As you can see, it gives you an example of a conversation, a real-life conversation at the bank. So you can practice that with a partner or alone. This will help you to know what to say in that real-life situation. So for any topic, you can have scripts, you can have dialogues like this that will help you to practice your English speaking skills. Amazing, right? This is terrific, right? Yeah, and you can also ask Chat GPT to correct your mistakes. Let's have a look.
Can you correct my mistakes?
And for those preparing for the IELTS speaking test, oh my goodness, Chat GPT is what you need. Let's see how Chat GPT can help you for your IELTS preparation. For instance, you can ask Chat GPT to give you some questions on a particular IELTS topic.
IELTS speaking questions on work. 1. What kind of work do you do? 2. Why did you choose this career? 3. Do you like your job? Why?
You can also ask Chat GPT to give you some tips for the exam. For example, how can I get a band 8 in IELTS listening?
Band 8 in IELTS listening. You can follow these tips. 1. Familiarize yourself with the format of the test. 2. Develop your listening skills, such as recognizing accent.
You can also ask Chat GPT to give you an estimate of a band score you can get from an AC. For example, what band score can I get from this AC?
As an AI language model, I cannot provide an official IELTS band score. However, based on the content and language usage of the essay, I can say that this essay could possibly score between band 7 and band 8. The essay provides clear arguments with supporting evidence and demonstrates a wide range of vocabulary and grammar structures.
This is fantastic, right? Okay, you can also use Chat GPT to practice vocabulary, to improve your vocabulary. Let's see how Chat GPT can help you improve your English vocabulary. So you can ask it to give you the meaning of a word. For example, what does hallucinate means? and you can also ask it to give you an example of how to use the word in a sentence. How can I use hallucinate in a sentence?
You can also ask the meaning of English idioms. What does misery loves company means?
Yeah, Chad DPT can also help you to improve your English grammar. Let's see.
You can ask any question related to grammar. For example, I don't understand the difference between the past simple and past participle.
How amazing was that? Well, even though Chat GPT is an incredible tool to help you learn and practice your English skills, there is always two sides of a coin. So, Chat GPT also have some limitations, okay? And one of them is that Chat GPT can make mistakes. Yeah, so for some complex topic, you want to make more research and not just base your answers on what ChatGPT says. Also, ChatGPT will never replace a real human interaction. As an English learner, for you to become fluent, you need to interact with others. You need to speak English with humans, okay? Yeah, so ChatGPT is an amazing tool that you should start using right now if you're not using it, because this will really help you to improve in your language learning. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, you're my friend, okay? You are my friend. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.